Hi everyone, this is Bryan Anderson. I'm the CEO of Simple Estimate, and in this video, I'm going to highlight the benefits of using three-point estimates and the PERT formula, which are built in natively to Simple Estimate. So what is a three-point estimate? In Simple Estimate, it's simply expressed in these pricing line items right here. So these are hourly pricing line items, and they're also available in daily, weekly, or monthly line items as well. And they're right here. So when you are thinking about a line item or a role on a project, you've said this is going to be a designer, and you're thinking about this workshop, and this workshop's going to be a couple days, let's say, and the designer has to do things before and after the meeting. So you might say, well, on the low side, it's going to be 10 hours of work. On the most likely it's 15, and on the high side it's going to be 24, right? Or it's going to be a couple days worth of, or 3 days worth of effort. So you'll know when you're looking at line items, you'll know in your mind, and you can get in the habit of doing these three-point estimates. So once you do that, it will use that to calculate the hours and the dollars using a formula that was developed by the U.S. Navy in 1957, I think. And the PERT formula stands for Program or Project Evaluation and Review Technique. And it's simply a formula that weights the optimistic estimate plus 4 times the most likely estimate plus the pessimistic divided by 6. So it builds in a weighted, most likely, and then it puts the opportunistic view and the pessimistic view into the weighting, which takes care of the risk factors that a lot of people build into these spreadsheets that they've come up with over time. It builds in the risk into your estimates. It makes your estimates more accurate and more predictable, because you're not guessing at these risk factors and making up these buffers and things like that. It's a formula that was developed and it's been proven for decades now, and it's just integrated natively into Simple Estimates. So I'll provide a link here in the comments or the description of this post here. It's on our website under our blog. And it talks about three-point estimation and PERT and why use them. But once you start getting into this habit of doing three-point estimates, your estimates are going to get better. They're going to get more accurate. They're going to be more predictable for clients, and you're going to build in these risk factors because you're thinking through these 3 points on every one of your kind of labor-based pricing line items within Simple Estimate, and it's all automatic. You don't even have to do anything. The cool part also is that you can change it. If you're dead set on doing the most simple, you can change it to just be 1-point estimate. It's not going to build in the risk factors. You can do a 2-point, which does build in the risk factors, but we're calculating in the middle. We're averaging these to the middle, and then we're using the PERT formula to do the math. And then the 3-point estimate is how it was designed to be done from the beginning. So I highly recommend setting that up and making that your company default to be 3-point estimates. And you should be good to go. Your estimates will get better day one. So good luck with the PERT formula and using Simple Estimate. And please share feedback. Looking forward to helping you guys build more accurate estimates. Thank you.